Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an DeepSeek AI account for free and also fix the problem if you are having login issues where you do not get your OTP. So first of all, you just need to open a browser and go to the search for DeepSeek AI. Click on this www.deepseek.com. Then to create an account, click on Start Now. And after that, if you want to create an account, don't use the sign up option, just use the login with Google option. And you need to sign in with a Google account in your Chrome browser, and this will show you what account that you want to use or what Gmail. So just click on the Gmail, then just click on continue. This will directly create an account for you with your Gmail account. So if you're having problem with the login issues that you're not getting the login OTP code for your email, so you can try that option. So that's it guys, this is how you can create an DeepSeek AI account. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.